Bonjour, Anine. This is Kathy Chavers giving you a weekly update here from Bois Forte. Bois Forte has been extremely fortunate for these past few weeks with no positive cases with regards to the virus, but I do want to read to you an update from Terry Morrison, our lead community health nurse who's been our advisor on this pandemic. Terry put this out to us yesterday. I just wanted to update you all on the COVID situation. We are currently seeing an increase in cases in the state and in the counties surrounding us. So far, Bois Forte has been case-free for the past 4 weeks. The main variant we are seeing in increasing numbers in Minnesota and our region is the Delta variant. I don't think we are done with COVID yet, but I'm hoping we can decrease the number of cases we have and decrease the spread from those cases. The best protection against COVID is the vaccine at this time. Masking and social distancing are also recommended if you are coming in contact with people outside your household and you are in an enclosed space. Meeting friends and family for dinner can be made safer by eating outside or visiting outside. Keeping your immune system strong by getting enough sleep, meditating, exercising, and feeding your body with whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, meats, and wild rice can also help. In Minnesota, we are seeing that the vaccine is 99.9% effective, which is great news, but breakthrough cases do occur. We are seeing that people that have the Delta variant have a much higher viral load. This means that there is much more virus present when a person gets sick from it, and also a quicker and easier spread to others. The cases that are vaccinated may also spread this variant, and this is new with the Delta variant. We haven't seen this with other variants, and we will be watching closely to see what develops in our surrounding communities and on reservation. Please, if you can, get vaccinated. No, it's not 100% effective, but 99.9% is pretty close. The vaccine will also significantly decrease your risk of being hospitalized or dying if you do come down with COVID. If you have symptoms such as runny nose, cough, headache, diarrhea, vomiting, and sore throat, please get tested, whether you have been vaccinated or not. Stay away from people if you are not feeling well and haven't been tested yet. So basically, Terry's saying that the variant is coming or is here, and we need to, if we have symptoms, get tested. The Nett Lake and Vermilion clinics have the vaccines, the Pfizer, the Moderna, and the Johnson & Johnson. In Nett Lake on Tuesday, Wednesdays, they are doing vaccine clinics. That number is 218-757-3650. In Vermilion, they are doing vaccine clinics on Thursdays and Fridays. That number is 218-753-2182. If you have any symptoms and feel you have COVID, please call those numbers and tell them you would like to have a COVID test, and they will instruct you on what to do. The Bois Forte Tribal Council has also implemented a mask mandate for all tribal government buildings effective Thursday, August 5th. Staff and visitors will now be required to wear masks in our government buildings. We are also being proactive in our attempts to curb the transmission of this virus. It is not yet set for the businesses such as Fortune Bay or the stores, but at some point it may get to that. We also know that the Mille Lacs Band and Fond du Lac Band are also requiring masks, so a lot of the tribes are being more proactive. We don't want to see our elders and those vulnerable to the virus, and even our children getting it. So that's why we're implementing the mask mandate, and we hope that you all will get vaccinated. That's the way to prevent the Delta variant from affecting you really seriously. As Terry stated, the best protection against the virus is the vaccine, so please get vaccinated if you're not. Another update here is the $18.54 per capita payment will be distributed on Friday, August 13th. The amount is $955. This is 100% of the distribution of the money we received from the state of Minnesota in our agreement, and it's going out to all band members. I do want to say that our tribal government offices will be closed on Friday, August 13th for mandatory all-staff training, so the offices will be closed on August 13th, which is Friday. The American Recovery Plan Act funding, of which there will be a direct assistance payment from the Bois Forte RTG to adult tribal members, is beginning in September and you can apply until 2024, so you can access it when you need it. The amount has changed from $1,000 per adult band member to $1,400 per adult band member per the request, or not the request, per the guidance of our tribal attorney, and to coincide with the federal government's distribution. There is a weekly meeting every Thursday at 10 o'clock with our senior management on the ARPA projects that are being reviewed and looked at. So we want you to know that we're still meeting on that. No decisions have been made yet. I want to say that at this time, and I think this is more countrywide and just everywhere, that there is somewhat of an employment crisis, not only at Bois Forte but in our area. Our businesses, Fortune Bay Resort Casino in the Wilderness, along with the Bois Forte tribal government, we have numerous job positions posted, and we have jobs available and we need people to work. With colleges and high schools getting ready to start their new school year, we'll be losing those young workers who return to school. This only adds to the already depressing low numbers of people who are needing or wanting to work. So we have numerous job openings here at Bois Forte on the government and business side. If you know of anyone looking for employment, you can have them contact us or go on our webpage at boisforte.com. You can click on the link for Fortune Bay Resort Casino and the other businesses on that website as well. An update regarding our wild rice crop, it looks very good. However, we do need some more rain. Water levels are low, but we'll keep putting out an update on this for you as we can. So with that, my message to you this week is short, and so we just hope you keep being positive, stay out of large crowds, wear your mask now at all time. We know the Delta variant is very severe and bad, and you can still get it even if you have the vaccine. So keep your social distancing, wear your masks, use your hand sanitizer. We're not out of the woods yet with this virus, so please be safe. Giga Wabaman and G. Miigwech. Have a good day.